Can y'all smell that? Can y'all smell that? It smells so good. Let me feel it.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naima. I have another video for you guys today, a really exciting one. I am doing an unboxing for Mielle's Organics with their sea moss collection that just came out. I'm so excited. So you guys, I forgot when it was announced. I want to see if I could find it, but I know it was announced like not too long ago. Let me see, because Monique posted it on her social media. I want to get like the exact date. So December 27th, she announced that, no, before that. Oh wait, before that too. Oh. Okay, so on December 22nd, Monique announced that they were doing the sea moss collection and that it was going to be available at Target. And I was like, oh my goodness, I'm so excited because y'all know, if y'all know, that I use the pomegranate and honey collection in my hair and I absolutely love it. Speaking of my hair, I just took my twist braid tweed out, so don't worry about it. But anyway, so yes, I love the pomegranate and honey, so I really want to get my hands on this sea moss collection because you know sea moss is supposed to be really good for you. And she mentioned that the sea moss collection was going to help with shedding, so I'm really excited. Yes, it says our anti-shedding collection. So at first when I saw that, I was like, oh my god, I want to do a review, I want to get the products, I want to try it out. And I went on Target and they only had the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in. They didn't have the other two products. And I was like, do I wait? Do I order it? And then try to see if I could get the other two? Like, I didn't know. And it's a good thing that I waited because shortly after, like not that much after, I want to say, I feel like it was before New Year's, I think. She announced that they were doing a bundle collection and all the products would have been 50% off. But regardless, the products are 50% off for the sea moss collection for right now. But she was doing the bundle collection, so you got everything plus a spray water bottle. So you know, I was like, I need to get the bundle. So I'm glad I didn't order it from Target. And this is basically what the bundle looks like on the website. It has everything, so I'm really excited. I will say Mielle's always goes above and beyond with their packaging. Their packaging always looks so beautiful. So I am excited to open my package and I wanted to share it and open it up with you guys because y'all know we family, you know. So before I open it, let me just quickly tell you what's inside. So like I said, for the collection, it says it's packed with tons of strengthening and conditioning qualities. Nutrient-rich Irish sea moss is at the heart of this collection. So there's a anti-shedding shampoo, there's an anti-shedding conditioner, there is an anti-shedding curl pudding, there is an anti-shedding leave-in conditioner, and an anti-shedding gel hair mask. I'm really excited about that because I'm like, gel hair mask, okay. So yes, this is the package, and like I said, the packaging is always like so cute. So let's go ahead and open it up. Y'all excited? I'm excited. We all excited. Okay, you guys, I ordered this package. So the announcement went out. I got the email. And when I tell you guys, I ordered it within 2 minutes. I wasn't playing. I ordered it within 2 minutes. And I actually had the package for a few days. And I didn't open it. I was excited, but I was like, I want to do it when I'm ready to like wash my hair. Because in another video, I'm actually going to do a review and actually show you guys me using the products. So I was waiting, but first of all, let me not try to show my address. But as soon as y'all open the flap, do y'all see it say anti-shedding? Come like peekaboo, like, oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, everything is so pink. Okay, let me try to get a good angle so y'all can see. We're gonna open it together. Oh wait. I have to cut the sides. You know, they package it real good, y'all. Can't lose the sea moss in transport. Okay. Now I'm ready for the big reveal. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Like, what? This is so pretty. It's so, y'all, and one thing I've noticed is that we don't really pay a lot of money. I personally feel like we don't pay a lot of money for her products. But for the packaging, I'm like, I know she probably spent a good amount of money for the packaging because it's always so nice. I always love that she always puts like the peanuts to make sure all the products are intact. So let me try to, my gosh, y'all, I'm gonna have to move it down here. Okay, what we starting off with? I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out of here. So, ooh, losing stuff. It's just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first thing we have is the Mielle, the anti-shedding curl put-in. You guys, like, her packaging is always so bright and colorful. I love it. I love it. Okay, next, ooh, drop it. I'm just gonna start dropping the peanuts everywhere. Next, we have the gel hair mask. Oh, so freaking pretty. Look at that gel. Like you're in the sea moss, get it? I'm trying to save the water bottle for last. And then we have the shampoo. Pretty. I love, at least with the pomegranate and honey, and I want to say maybe with her other collections, but I love that the shampoo and the conditioners come with a pump. Like, so amazing. Next is the conditioner. So cute. And then we have the leave-in conditioner. Now, I was skeptical because I was like, I don't really like a spray leave-in, but it's not really like a spray. I was looking online. It has like the little like spout thingy, so I feel like that'll be good. And last but not least, look at this little spray. Oh, let me put this box down. It's in the way. It's cute, but it's in the way, child. It's in the way. Okay, let me take it out the plastic. Let me do it right. Let me do right by Miss Mielle. And I gotta hurry up because ain't that much storage on this memory card. But look at the bottle. Come through. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I love it. Oh my God, let me see if I could get, can I hold everything so y'all could see? Oh. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, let me just try to smell everything because, like I said, I'm gonna do another video where I'm actually trying everything. But I want to smell. Like, oh my God, let's look at the curl pudding. Like, Can y'all smell that? Can y'all smell that? It smells so good. Let me feel it. You guys, it just melted. Like, you guys can't even see. It melted in my hand. Let me see the gel hair mask. Ooh. I'm excited for this because, y'all, I could already tell y'all this is gonna give my hair so much slip. Oh my goodness. Why am I rubbing it on my skin like it's lotion? Oh, yeah. Okay. The shampoo. Look at this. Look at that. Oh. Let me just do a little feel test. Yo, everything has so much slippage. I could tell. Oh my God, it smells so good. What the heck? Miss Monique. My gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Was that everything? Oh wait, the leave-in. Okay, can't forget the leave-in. Let's see the leave-in now. I probably gotta like spray it a little bit. Oh my God. Oh, put too much. Oh my gosh. Yo, when y'all get this collection and y'all feel it, y'all gonna be like, oh my, I'm tempted to put it in my hair right now. Everything. It says eliminates frizz and adds shine. That's for the curl put-in. Promotes shine and great slip. That's the matte. I'm hyped. Y'all make sure y'all go get this collection. I'm gonna do another video where I do a review and then you guys can actually see it on my hair, but I'm really excited and I know my memory's about to go out because I was just so excited to do this video. I didn't even check, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Make sure you guys go check out these products. If you've tried it, let me know. If you got the bundle, let me know in the comments if you gon' get it, because I think it's sold out, but still let me know. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.